side it is on off switch, at this side we have an on off switch, and when we just put it on the power supply, this light glows. Clear? So that light will glow only when the power supply is on. This side we have, these are the output LEDs. ये आपके सारे output LEDs हैं. This one, these are the output LEDs. Now these are all the inputs. This is just on and off switch. ये पूरा on and off रहता है. ये पूरे inputs हैं. At this position, we'll place the breadboard. यहाँ पर हम breadboard रखेंगे. Now we can keep the breadboard, the external breadboard. This is our external breadboard wherein we'll keep the breadboard and we'll make the connections. ठीक है? Now we don't need to see other pins as those are not required. Here we have the power supply. We can see the power supply. This is plus 5 volt. The first one is plus 5 volt. Then we have ground. Then this is minus 5 volt. Then plus 3.15 minus 3.15. We actually need plus 5 volt and the ground. That's it. The first one and the second one. Okay? So this is how it is going to be connected. Now we'll start with our first experiment. The first experiment is to verify the AND or NOT gate. Okay? So the AND or NOT gate, these are the wires that we need to use. These are the jumping wires that we need to use. So we'll be making use of, these are the patch cords, and then we have the connecting wires. These are the connecting wires that we'll be using. Then we'll make the connections and we'll verify the first experiment. The first experiment is nothing but to verify the AND or NOT gates, NAND, NOR and XOR. Okay? So we have to verify all the gates, but we'll not verify all the gates right now. We'll just verify few of the gates. Now I'll show you the first IC. The first IC is 7408. Now the 7408, as we can see that here we have the IC numbering. It is not actually visible right now to you. Here something is written over the IC. Is it visible that something is written? I don't know that whether the written thing is visible or not. The written thing might not be visible to you, but it is written over it 7404. And this side, the left hand side is a notch. Okay? The left hand side is a notch. This side it is a notch. So from this side we'll make the connection. So we'll connect it this way. So these are actually, this is our breadboard. Now the breadboard here, if we can see, these are the lines, and these lines are the vertical lines. They are connected to one another. That means they are short, that we cannot just make the connections of the two ICs like this. Like if we are making the connection this way, what happens? This line, the line in which two pins are going, they become short. ठीक है? तो हमें उसकी sorting नहीं करनी है, हमें उनको short नहीं करना है, हमें अलग अलग रखना है. So we make the connection this way. So this is how the connection is done. So this is the AND gate IC. Above it is written 7408. ठीक है? 7408 is a AND gate IC. This is how the connection is done. So we have made the connection. Now the 7408 is connected to the breadboard. Now we'll make the connection of VCC. So here, this is the 14th pin. As I've said, the 14th pin. The 14th pin will come this side. This side is the 14th pin. Since this side we have a notch, okay? So this side will be the 14th pin, and this is a ground pin. So we'll make the connection. This side, the 14th. These are all connected. So we'll make the connection with plus 5 volt. Okay? Now the next is we'll make the connection with ground pin. Ground pin is this one. Ground pin is this one. So the 7th pin is connected and it's connected to ground. This is how it's connected. Now we already know that pin 1 and pin 2. So pin 1, we have these two pins. This is a pin 1 and this is a pin 2. Now the third pin will be the output pin. So we'll connect the pin 1. This is our pin 1. We can make the connection from here, and then we need to connect it to any of our input. कोई भी input से हम connection कर सकते हैं. Similarly, we'll make the connection to pin 2. This is our pin 2. Pin 2 is connected here, and then we'll connect it to any of the inputs. Now we need to connect the output. Here pin 3 is an output pin. Pin 3 is an output pin. So we have connected here, and now we can connect it to any of our output. Now here the numberings are already given: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if we connect to any of the output, if suppose I am connecting it to 0, sorry 3, ठीक है, ठीक है. So if I am connecting to 3, 0 0 क्यों आई है? 0 0 0. If I am connecting to 3, the 3, that is the LED 3 should glow. Okay, so here I've made the connections. Now we can see that which LED is glowing. Now these are the inputs. If this is down, that means it is at level 0. This is down, that means it is at level 0. Okay, so here this is at level 0. If this is an AND gate, AND circuit says that both the inputs should be high, then only we get the output high. So if I keep one of the input high, will not get the output. If I keep both the inputs high, the LED will glow. Now can we see that the LED is glowing here? Yes, students, can we see that the LED is glowing? Reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it glowing, right? So we have verified the AND gate. This is an AND IC. Both the inputs are, if on that glows only if both the inputs are high. If any of the input is low, it will just be off. Okay, so both the input has to be high for the LED to glow. So this is how the AND gate is verified. Now we'll verify the OR gate. OR key IC. Now we'll just keep the connections as it is. We'll not disturb the connection because the OR will just replace the IC. What is the IC of the OR gate? OR gate की IC क्या है? What is the IC of the OR gate? Anyone who remembers? Just now I told the OR gate IC. It's 7432. 7432 is the OR gate IC. We'll just make the connections. ठीक है? उल्टा लगा ना? एक मिनट. नहीं. We need to just make sure, students, that the pin numbering starts from the notch side. Notch के बाद से आपका pin numbering start होता है. ठीक है, तो as the pin numbering starts, then only we can see the connection. So the OR IC is connected. OR IC, above the IC it will be written that 7432. ठीक है, 74F32 is written, so that means that it's an OR IC. ठीक है, now both the inputs are low. As in the case of OR, any of the input is high, the output will be high. So we can check it. This is going high, the output is going high. We can check from here. As I just give this input, the output is going high. If I put it low, it will be low. If I give this input, the output is again going high. If both the inputs are high, the output is high. So this is how the OR is also verified. ठीक है? Is it done now? Now we can verify all the gates inside it. Not only one gate. How many gates are there in the OR gate IC? How many gates are there in the OR gate IC? जल्दी से बताओ कितने gates हैं? 4. So we have 4 gates in the OR gate IC. We can verify all the gates. We can even verify. We can verify all the gates for OR gate. Now we are verifying the NOT. ठीक है? So in NOT, as an inverter, the NOT IC is 7404. So we don't have to give all the inputs. We just need one input and one output. It's a 7404 IC. ठीक है? 7404 is a NOT IC. So we are connecting it here from the north side, notch to the left side, and the connection is done. This is how the connection is done. ठीक है? Now the VCC is connected and this is our ground pin. Now we just need to give one input. 2 inputs are not required. So we are just giving one input to pin 1. Pin 1 में एक input दे दिया हमने, and we need just one output at pin 2. ठीक है? Pin 2 is one output. So this is how the input and output are given. So we'll just put it on. Now as we can see that the input is low, we are getting the output high. यहाँ पर हमें high output आ रहा है. The input is low, we are getting the output high because it's an inverter. So inverter में क्या होता है? For 0 we should get high. Now if I give it high, the input is low. ठीक है? So if the input is high, the output is low, and if the input is low, the output is high. So the inverter is perfectly working. ठीक है? So this is how we have verified all the 3 gates. We can even verify NAND, NOR, XOR, and all other gates, as we have all the ICs available with us. But still since we don't have much time to verify all the gates, we'll move on to the second experiment. Our second experiment is to verify the De Morgans. Now, what is the concept of De Morgans? What is the concept of De Morgans? Yes, students. What is the concept of De Morgans? क्या है De Morgans का थ्योरम? क्या है जल्दी से बताओ. Anyone? De Morgans theorem? No one remembers De Morgans theorem. In De Morgans theorem, we have 2 theorems. The first theorem says that just wait, I'll share my screen also. This is the De Morgan's theorem. Here in this one we have 2 theorems. The first theorem says that AB ka bar, this one, is it visible? AB bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. This is visible, right? AB bar equals to A bar plus B bar. This is our first theorem that we are going to perform now. Now for this, we have a left hand side, this one, that is we need a AND gate, and then we need a inverter. On the right hand side, we need an inverter, 2 inverters rather, and output of the inverter should be given to a OR gate. So that is how we'll verify the circuit. That is the left hand side truth table and the right hand side truth table. Both should be verified in a proper way, and both the side will give the same input A and B. ठीक है, with the same common input. Now you can see both the things as is both the thing visible to you? I'll just stop sharing it. Now coming back to our circuit, here first we need an AND gate. We'll take out all the inputs from this side. Then we'll take out the output as well. We'll take an AND gate. Okay? AND gate IC is AND gate donated 7408. Okay, 7408 is an AND gate IC. AND gate IC, we are giving 2 inputs. We are giving 2 inputs. One is at A, another one is at B, and we are giving the 5 volt this side VCC at 14th pin. This is the 14th pin, and this one is the ground pin. ठीक है, 14th pin, and this is the ground pin. So now we have an output at pin 3. So here I have pin 3. ठीक है ना. Now we need to, after the output of the AND gate, we need to give the output of the AND gate to the inverter. इसको नहीं बनाते, हम इससे कनेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. The output of the AND gate through the connecting wire, I am connecting to an inverter. This is an inverter input. Now this needs to be connected to the VCC and ground as well. Okay, so here I am having a VCC which is given here. It needs to be connected to this IC also, so it's connected to this IC also. Okay, VCC of both the both the ICs connected to the 5 volt, and the ground is also connected to the circuit ground. Okay, so the input is connected. The output of the AND gate, we can see that this is the output and it is given to the input of the NOT gate, and the output is connected to this one. Okay, output of the NOT gate. So this is how the left hand side is done. The left hand side is done. Here we have given 5 volt to both the ICs at VCC 14th pin, the ground to both the ICs at pin 7 to both the ICs. ठीक है, दोनों के ICs को दिया है. उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पर A और B AND gate को दिया है, AND gate के input को दिया है. The output of the AND gate is given as an input to the input to the NOT gate. NOT gate का input में यहाँ पर दिया है हमने, and then the output of the NOT is taken as the output here. ठीक है, so this is how the connection is done. Now the another one is the left right hand side. इसी में दिखाना है कि दूसरा कनेक्ट करना है? इसको पहले एक फर्स्ट तो ए बी बार इसका आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ए बी का होल बार आ जाएगा. तो ए बी का होल बार will be there. Now I can keep this here. इसको भी दिखाना पड़ेगा ना. Now this is going to be a circuit. Okay, so here we have the circuit. This is our first circuit. This is the left hand side circuit. Now we have to design this also. Now for this we have the truth table. ये इसका left hand side का circuit का ये truth table है, the right hand side का circuit का ये truth table है. दोनों का truth table verify होना चाहिए. ठीक है, now for that हमें दोनों का ये राइट हैंड साइड वाला भी सर्किट एक साथ ही डिजाइन करना है और उसके बाद हम उसको वेरीफाई करेंगे. ठीक है, now this is the first output. Now for the right hand side we need two AND gates, sorry two NOT gate. two NOT gate का इनपुट लेना पड़ेगा ना. ये और गेट है. एक मिनट पहले तो ये NOT gate के इनपुट्स को ए बार बी बार करना पड़ेगा. A is given, A is taken from this side. A is the input which is taken from here. ठीक है, and it is given to the input of the NOT gate at pin 3. Pin 2 to pin 4. B is the input which is taken from here. Number 2. Pin number 2, which is the input connected from here. Connection okay, and it is given to number 4. Pin number 4 में तो output रहेगा 5. Pin 5. So these are the two NOT gates. This one I'm talking about. This one, the left and right hand side circuit, that this one, that here I've taken two NOT gates. A and B are given to inverters and the output of this will be given to the OR IC. Okay, now let's see how it is. So here I've taken the two inputs at pin 3 and pin 5. Now I'm connecting the OR IC here. OR IC is 7432. Now 7432 again I need to give the VCC and ground. So VCC and ground I'm connecting directly. This is my VCC and this is my ground. जाएगा इतना दूर नहीं जाएगा. थोड़ा सा इस तरफ कर लेते हैं, नहीं हो जाएगा. This is the ground. ठीक है, so this is done. Now the output of this NOT, that is pin 3 का output will be at pin 4. Pin 3 का output will be at pin 4 given to pin number 1, and pin 5 का output will be at pin 6 of the NOT IC given to pin 2 of OR. Pin 2 of OR. and the another input, the output of the OR gate at pin 3, output of the OR gate at pin 3, this one. Let us take at pin number, the output 7. So this is how we have completed with our left hand side and the right hand side of the first De Morgan's theorem. Now let us check whether it's working properly or not. Okay. Now this side we have given 0 0. Now 0 0, if I give 0 0 in A and B, the output of NAND gate should be what? AB ka bar should be 0 0 pe, it should be high, and the output is taken at pin 3. So we can see that it is going high. The pin 3, this LED is glowing. This is a pin 3 LED and this is a pin 7 LED. So this is glowing. Now when I give 0 0, the right hand side A bar B bar ho jayega. A bar B bar when given to OR gate 0 0 bar bar matlab दोनों का 0 0 will be 1 and 1. 1 and 1 given to OR gate will also glow. That is A bar plus B bar will also be high. So this is working. Both are giving the same result. Now if I put one off, one on, then also it is high. If I keep both high, then both are low. That means these two LEDs should glow in a same manner, that if one is high, another should be high, if one is low, another should be low. That means we are verifying that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, because we have connected both together. दोनों को एक साथ ही connection कर दिया. We have designed the left hand side part also and we have designed the right hand side part also. So we are getting both the outputs together. Hence we have verified the De Morgan's first theorem. Similarly, we can even verify the De Morgan's second theorem. What is the De Morgan's second theorem? क्या है De Morgan's का second theorem? Is anyone listening or not? Yes, students. What is De Morgan's second theorem? I guess no one is listening.
A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar.
हाँ, A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. And इसमें कौन-कौन से gates की requirement होगी again? A plus B का whole bar. That means we need to have one OR gate and one inverter. ठीक है? OR gate and inverter. A plus B whole bar मतलब OR gate and an inverter. तो ये आपका left hand side हो जाएगा. Then the right hand side will have A bar dot B bar. मतलब A bar के लिए हमें एक inverter A के cross लगाना पड़ेगा, B के cross भी एक inverter लगाना पड़ेगा, and then both the output of the inverter should be given to a AND gate. That becomes A bar dot B bar, and the connection will be done in the same way. ऐसा ही आपका एक connection रहेगा. ठीक है? So we don't need to do that one. That is easy. Again, the same way the connections will be made. Clear now? Now we'll move on to the next experiments. We are done with 2 experiments. Now we have the third experiment. Third experiment हम नहीं करेंगे, हम half adder करेंगे ना. We'll do the half adder. ठीक है? Half adder. For half adder, we need to have 2 inputs. We need to have, I'll share the screen again and I'll show you the half adder thing. Now this is a half adder. For this, when we are designing the half adder, हमें IC चाहिए होती है XOR. XOR IC चाहिए रहती है because half adder, for half adder circuit 2 inputs रहते हैं. We have 2 outputs. One is sum, another one is carry. तो हमें सिर्फ 2 की IC चाहिए होती है, एक XOR की IC and एक AND की IC. तो इससे आपका half adder circuit design हो जाता है. Now this is how the half adder circuit looks like. This is very simple. We need to just have a XOR. We need to have a AND gate. एक XOR gate और एक AND gate चाहिए होता है. ठीक है. Now this is how the truth table looks like. For 0 0 input देंगे तो sum will be 0, the carry will be 0. 0 1 पे sum is 1, carry 0. 1 0 पे sum is 1, carry 0, and 1 and 1 sum is 0, again the carry is 1. The carry goes 1 only for 1 and 1. So we have two ICs. We need to have two ICs. One is the XOR IC, another one is the AND IC. XOR IC, as it is already mentioned, it is 7486 is the XOR IC and 7408 is the AND IC. So this is how we'll perform the XOR, we'll perform the half adder circuit. Now let's see. I'll just stop sharing again. Now in this one, sir has already connected this IC. This is a 7408 7486 लगा दो ना पहले. 7486, हाँ 7486 को connect करो. Then when we connect the 7486, this is a 7486 IC. Again the connections are same. We'll have to connect it to VCC and ground. Here we are connecting 7408. 7408 is the AND gate IC. As we know that we need to just have one XOR and one AND gate. So this is an XOR and this is an AND gate. So we'll make the connections. We'll connect it with 5 volt. 5 volt is connected to 14th pin, and make sure students that both the ICs should be given the 5 volt and the ground. दोनों को 5 volt और ground, VCC ground दोनों को कनेक्शन करना है. एक को कर दिए हो तो दूसरे को नहीं करने की जरूरत, ऐसा नहीं है, दोनों को ही आपको करना है. आप देख सकते हो कि आपने देखा कि कनेक्शंस कैसे किए. यहाँ से हमने 5 volt दिया हुआ है और इसी को यहाँ पर 14 पिन को दूसरे IC के 14 पिन में कनेक्ट कर दिया. तो दिस इज हाउ द कनेक्शन इज डन. ऐसे ही आपका दोनों का कनेक्शन हो जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ विल कनेक्ट द ग्राउंड. Ground will also be connected. Ground is connected to the pin 7. Pin 7 of both the ICs. It's connected. ठीक है. Now ground and VCC is done. Clear? Now we'll make the connection for input. We have to give the inputs to the first, that is XOR. दोनों में हम same input देंगे. And भी AND में भी और XOR में भी. ठीक है. So we'll see how these connections will be done. If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask in between students. You can see how the connections are done. कुछ भी doubt आ रहा है तो आप directly आप अभी पूछ सकते हो अपना mic turn on करके. Second input is also given. XOR है. Again we know that the inputs will be given in pin 1 and pin 2. ठीक है. दोनों IC के पिन 1 और पिन 2 में हम इनपुट दे दिए और दोनों सेम इनपुट विल बी गिवन टू XOR एंड द सेम इनपुट विल दोनों के इनपुट में सेम इनपुट दे. अब XOR का अलग आउटपुट रहेगा एट पिन 3. फ्रॉम पिन 3 वी आर गिविंग एन आउटपुट टू द टू 4th. ठीक है. 4th नंबर LED पे हमने आउटपुट यहाँ पर कनेक्ट कर दिया और एंड का आउटपुट पिन 0 पे कनेक्ट कर दिया. दिस इज द 0. Output is taken from pin 3 of AND gate and output is taken from pin 3 of the XOR gate. Both are done. ठीक है. यहाँ पर 0 पे LED पे और यहाँ पर 4 LED पे. Now we'll turn on the gate. The gate is turned on. ठीक है. Both the inputs are 0 0. Now we can see, we know that the truth table के according, if I give 0 0, sum is also 0 and the carry is also 0. We can see that the sum, this is our sum and this is our carry. ठीक है. तो ये आपका ये carry है. ये carry है. एक मिनट. XOR gate से आउटपुट जो रहेगा sum. हाँ. तो ये sum है. This is coming from the XOR IC. So this is sum and this is coming from the AND IC. That means this is a carry output. So both are low. 0 0 के केस में both are low. Now if I give one high, कोई भी one को high किया तो we'll get 0 1 के केस में क्या होगा? Sum will glow. So this is our pin 4. So 4 पे LED 4 is glowing and the carry is still 0. तो ये आपका still 0 condition है. ठीक है. दिस वन इज ग्लोइंग मतलब सम इज हाई. नाउ इफ आई गिव बोथ हाई, दोनों को हाई किया तो कैरी इज हाई. वी कैन सी दैट द कैरी इज हाई बट सम इज अगेन लो. तो सम भी आपका 0 हो गया. 1 and 1 के केस में 1 + 1 द सम विल बी 0 एंड द कैरी विल बी high. So that is what we are getting. The half adder is verified here. In the case of 0 0, I will start again. 0 0 में क्या होगा? Both sum and carry are 0 0. So both the LEDs are low. Now if I give 0 1, this is 0 and this is 1. This 0 1 में sum is high, carry is low. Now if I give 1 0, this is 1, this is 0. Again the sum is high and the carry is low. Now if I give both 1 and 1, you can see that the sum is 0 and the carry is high. So this is how we are getting our output. The half adder is verified. Students, this one is clear, right? Now we'll move on to half subtractor. Half subtractor, right? ठीक है, चलो. हाँ, अब हम half subtractor को इसी में देख लेंगे because we need the same circuit for half subtractor as well. I'll show you the circuit diagram. This is the this one is half adder. We'll see for half subtractor also. Half subtractor. Now in the case of half subtractor, this one is for half subtractor. We know the outputs are the difference and the borrow. So we have two outputs. One is the difference, that is x minus y will be the difference. For that we need to have an XOR gate and the borrow. For borrow, this is the circuit that we need a NOT gate and the AND gate. So XOR to chahiye, and then we need a x bar y. X bar y, that means x is given to the inverter first, and then the output of x bar, that is the output of inverter, and the y is given to a NOT gate. Sorry, to the AND gate. Okay, so that will be our borrow. So let us design this accordingly. We need one XOR IC, we need one inverter IC, and then we need one AND IC. XOR is 7486, inverter is 7404, and the AND is 7408. Okay, so we need 3 ICs for this. Now let us do that. So this is the connections. We have already connected the 7486 in the case of half adder, and the 7408 लगा हुआ है. हाँ, ठीक है. We need the NOT. इसको निकाल कर NOT को पहले लगा के AND को बाद में. ठीक है. So we need to have 3 ICs. The XOR 74866 XOR and 7404 is NOT gate. We are connecting one NOT IC. Okay, so the NOT IC is connected here. Then we are connecting one AND IC. So this is the AND IC. So we are making the connections now. We need to connect to the ground and VCC of all the 3 ICs. That is very much required, important part of it. So the ground and VCC connection is done in the starting. Now it's done. Okay, so here we have made the connection for ground and VCC. Now we'll give the input at the XOR. 2 inputs will be given to the XOR. Okay, now the output of this XOR is taken from pin 3 of XOR. Pin 3 of XOR, the output is taken, input is given to pin 1 and 2. Now the first input X is given to an inverter. First input X is given to an inverter, that is at pin 1, and the pin 2, that is the output of the inverter, is given to a AND gate, the input of the AND gate. And the second input is एक डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर दिया ना, ये वाला. हाँ, ओके. One is directly taken from the input side and one is taken of the output of the NOT gate. So we have 2 input at the AND gate. One is taken directly, the direct input. This one, that is this has been taken directly, and this is the output of the AND gate. This one is the output of the AND gate. So this is how the inputs are given to the AND gate, and the output will be connected to the pin 3 of the AND gate. Okay, output will be connected to the pin 3 of the AND gate. Now the connections are done. We'll just turn on our gate. Now we can see the borrow and the difference output. Both are 0 0. In both the case 0 0, the difference will also be 0 and the borrow will also be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now if I give 0 1, that means 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, the borrow will also go high and the difference will also go high. 0 minus 1 is 0, that is 0 minus 1, the difference will be also 1 and the borrow will also be 1. Okay? Now if I give 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 matlab the difference will be high. 1 minus 0 is 1 but the borrow is 0. Okay? The borrow is 0. This is 1, 1 minus 0. This is high. 1 is 0 and the another one, first input is 1, another input is 0. 1 minus 0, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. Clear? So that is how it goes. Now if I take 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, the difference is also 0 and the borrow is also 0. Okay? So done? Is this clear, students? The half subtractor is clear? Is there any doubt in half subtractor?
No, ma'am.
It's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we'll perform the full adder circuit. Full adder circuit and then full subtractor. And that will be done for today. So we'll just perform full adder circuit. I'll just show the screen. This one is our full adder circuit, full adder experiment. Okay. Now in the full adder experiment, again we are performing with inputs, that is A, B and the C in. C in, that is will be having 3 inputs actually. The sum is what? A XOR B XOR C. C in is our sum and the carry out is A dot B plus A XOR B C input. So we have this circuit. तो हमारा ये 2 सर्किट रहेगा तो हमें पूरा कंप्लीट कनेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. So we need to have even, we need to have XOR, we need to have AND, we need to have OR, we need to have inverter. All the circuits will be connected. Now this is going to be our circuit diagram. As we can see here, circuit diagram, I will show you the circuit diagram. This is our circuit diagram. Okay? So here in the case of AB, we have one XOR.
हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं हाफ एडर यूज करके 2 हाफ एडर.
Okay. So here in the circuit diagram it is making use of 3 AND gates. ठीक है? NAND gates, sorry, but we will not make use of the NAND gate. We are making use of the 2 half adders. 2 half adders के according हम उसको करके करेंगे. Here we will not making use of the NAND gate. NAND gate को use नहीं करेंगे. ये वाले सर्किट को हम नहीं रेफर कर रहे हैं. हम ये वाले सर्किट को रेफर करेंगे. जस्ट इसके ऊपर में जो है. ठीक है. So here it is making use of 2 half adders. तो 2 half adder का सर्किट है. तो 2 half adder सर्किट है मतलब हमें 2 बार XOR गेट लेना पड़ेगा. एक A XOR B करना पड़ेगा. एक यहाँ पर A XOR B का इनपुट आएगा. सम का जो आउटपुट रहेगा वो इनपुट में जाएगा और दूसरा आपका C इन में जाएगा. ठीक है. थर्ड इनपुट जाएगा. तो we need to have 3 inputs and accordingly we have one OR gate. Now let us see do it. So I'll just stop sharing it. Now this is our
XOR
gate. Here we have one XOR IC and then we have one AND IC. ठीक है, for half adder. And then we have one 7432 OR IC. हाँ, तो OR IC लगा दिया हमने 7432. Now we'll make the connections for all the power and the VCC and the ground. तीनों का VCC और ground connection करना है सबसे पहले आपको. So the ground connection is done and now we are connecting the VCC part of it. VCC is the pin 14 for all the gates. All the IC, the pin 14 is the VCC and pin 7 is ground. So in this one, we have to first perform the half adder part of it. Half adder we already know that A and B are the inputs. So A B हम XOR में दे रहा है. A XOR में inputs का connection करो. XOR A and B. Now output of the XOR is connected to the another XOR. Output of this XOR is connected to the another input of the XOR, that is at pin 4. ठीक है, output is at pin 3. Output is at pin 3, which is given to the input of another XOR, and the third input is given at pin 5. Third input is given at pin 5, and the pin 6 is the output of XOR. इसको दे दो, pin 6 को direct output दे दो. Pin 6 is the direct sum output of full adder. Full adder is what? The output is sum is A XOR B XOR C in. So A is this one is A XOR B, B is this one, A XOR B. ये हो गया आपका. इसका जो output आया वो pin 3 में आया. पिन 3 से आउटपुट को हमने पिन 4 में दे दिया, दैट इज द अनदर XOR. ठीक है, तो एक ही आईसी में आपके 4 XOR होते हैं, तो आपका दूसरा XOR के इनपुट में दे दिया, 3 से 4 में कनेक्शन हो गए. नाउ द थर्ड इनपुट इज गिवन एट पिन 5. Pin 5 is the another input of the XOR gate, and pin 6 is the output. तो बेसिकली आपका ये A XOR B XOR C in हो गया, and this output is given to the fourth LED of the output. ठीक है, तो हमने यहाँ पर आउटपुट दे दिया. Now we have to come with the next part of it, that is the AND part of it, that is the carry in part of it. So A and B, the inputs will be given to the AND में जाएगा ना, A and B हो गया. ये सब्ट्रैक्टर है, A and B आएगा. करो ना, यहाँ पर A और B को AND में दो, A और B AND में करो.
A and B.
A and B is given to AND gate. ठीक है, this is the first carry that we are getting the carry out. Now the second carry out is the carry out of the third one, that is the carry out of this, that is A and B given to the second AND gate also. दूसरा भी रहेगा. यहाँ पर A XOR B का जो output जा रहा है, this is our first output A and B. ये connect हो गया ना? ये AND gate IC है हमारा. तो A and B is given to this AND gate. This is our first carry. तो ये carry को हम लोग यहाँ पर के इनपुट में कनेक्ट करेंगे. AB.
नंबर 1
of the OR gate. हाँ, अब दूसरा जो रहेगा A XOR B into C in है. The second is A XOR B. तो A XOR B का output is coming from pin 3. A XOR B का output is coming from pin 3 of XOR IC. Pin 3 of XOR IC.
Pin number 3
is connected to the AND के दूसरे input में. Pin 4.
Pin 4
And C in. The third input is C in. C in को यहाँ से connect करो. C in is given to pin 5 of AND IC, and pin 6 of AND. Pin 6 of AND is given to pin 2 of OR. ठीक है. Now after that, the output of this OR is directly taken from here. ठीक है. Now we'll verify this one. We'll just turn it on. We have made all the connections of full adder. Now, if we have to verify, we need to check that if we are giving all three zeros, matlab A, B and C in all three 0, the sum will be also 0 and the carry will also be 0. So we have given all three low. We can see that all three are 0. So here the sum is also low and the carry is also low. Both are low. Now if I give A, this is our A, this is B and this is my C. So A, B and C in. If I give 0, 0, 1. So if I give 1, एक high होगा, तो sum will be high and the carry will still be 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1, definitely the sum will go high and the carry will be 0. Similarly, if I give this one 0 1 0, the sum will high and the carry will be low. So 0 plus 1 plus 0, again the sum will go high and the carry will be low. 1 plus 0 plus 0, again the sum will be high and the carry will be 1. Now we'll go to the next step where we are giving two highs, that is 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is 1 plus 0 plus 1. What happens? The carry will go high and the sum is 0. Okay? 1 plus 0 plus 1. The sum is 0 and the carry will be high. What happens when it is 1 plus 0 plus 1? The answer is 1 0, right? So 1 is what? It is carry, and 0 is what? It is sum. So that is what it is happening. If I am giving two highs, दो अगर मैं high दे रही हूँ, तो 1 plus 0 plus 1, the sum is low and the carry is high. ठीक है? In any of the two, कोई भी दो अगर हम high देते हैं, तो क्या होगा? आपका sum low रहेगा और carry high रहेगा. Now if I give all the three high, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, the sum is also high and the carry is also high. ठीक है? So this is how we can see that our full adder is also verified. ठीक है? Is this clear, everyone, students? So this is how this is done. The sum and carry both are going high. ठीक है? Now we'll perform the full subtractor. Full subtractor we'll see. इसमें कुछ डाउट है क्या आपको full adder में? No, right? Now we'll see the full subtractor. This is our full subtractor. Full subtractor, in the case of full subtractor, what is the IC is required? 7408 AND gate. 7486, definitely we need to have an XOR gate also. 7404, it's NOT gate. Then 7432 OR gate. So these are the ICs for the subtractor. Now this is the circuit diagram. As we all know that we need to have three inputs, A, B and the borrow in. Borrow in is also taken as input and the output will be the difference and the borrow out. So here we have two full subtractor circuits that is designed for the full subtractor. Okay? So we'll design two full subtractor circuit and we'll see how it is designed. So we'll have the XOR, NOT and
NOT के XOR के बाद NOT लगा रहे हैं.
So the connections are made for the XOR. हमें चार ऐसी चाहिए होगा लेकिन XOR and और NOT. तो चारों में VCC देना पड़ेगा. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द XOR, उसके बाद NOT लगाया है, उसके बाद NOT लगाया है. 7404 is the NOT,
then AND,
and 7408 is the AND IC, and then 7432 is the OR IC. So we need to have four ICs that needs to be connected one after the another, and we need to give them VCC and ground. तो सभी को VCC और ground connect करेंगे. Now it's done. VCC and ground connections are made. Now we need to make the connections. As we know that for difference is A XOR B XOR borrow in. ठीक है? तो A XOR B XOR borrow in. That means again we'll have to make the connections by connecting the inputs. A input at pin 1 of XOR, B input at pin 2 of XOR, pin 3 is the output given to the another XOR. 3 को 4 से connect करना पड़ेगा. Pin 3 is the output given to the input, another input of the XOR gate. So pin 3 will be connected to pin 4. Input, the output of the first XOR will be connected to the input of second XOR. Then pin 5 will be the third input. Pin 5 will be the third input of the XOR. Then pin 6 is the output. Pin 6 is the output of the XOR. That is A XOR B XOR borrow in. Okay? So that is done. D is done. A XOR B XOR borrow in is done. Now we need to connect for the A bar B. A bar B is our first input given to OR gate. So A ka bar A will be connected to the NOT input. Then the output of the NOT will be connected to AND input. And is what? 7408 IC. That's the input. Now then B is given to B is direct. B should be given to the second input of the AND gate. B का ये pin 2 से लो connection. Pin 2 से second input of the AND gate. And the output of the AND gate, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Pin 2 में लगाओ ना. Pin 2 में लगेगा. And the third input, the output of the AND will be given to the input of OR gate. इसका output को इसके input में लगाओ. Pin 3 will be given to the input of the OR gate. This is done. Now the next is A XOR B का output. A XOR B का output is third pin 3, है ना? Pin 3 will be given to the input of inverter. And the output of inverter will be given to AND, another AND input. A XOR B का bar dot and फिर इसके borrow in, third का यहाँ पर जाएगा, borrow in, and the output of this AND, इसका output will be given to the input of OR. Output of this AND will be given to the another input of the OR gate, and the output of the OR gate is our borrow out. That is at pin 3. Okay. Now the connections are done. Now let us check it whether it is working properly or not. So we have made the connections. Let us just give all the inputs 0 0 0. Let us verify it. With 0 0 0, 0 minus 0 minus 0, we have given A, B, and this is a borrow in. Okay. So 0 minus 0 minus 0, this is a difference, and this is a borrow out. Both are 0 0. We can see that both the LEDs are low, so they are 0 0. Now if I give 0 minus 1, so what happens that the difference 0 minus 1, the difference is also 1 and the borrow out is also 1. That is, the borrow is also glowing and the difference is also glowing. So 0 minus 1, both the difference and borrow will be high. That is, both the LEDs will glow red. ठीक है. Now in any of the case, that is एक भी single one रहा, मतलब अब out of all the 3 inputs, 3 input में से कोई भी एक high रहा और बाकी 2 low रहे, will get the same output. ठीक है. That is 0 minus 1 also will get the same output. That is, if we give this low, 0 minus 1 minus 0. Again, both are high. That is, the difference is also high and the borrow out is also high. Now in another case, if I give 1 minus 0, that is only the first one, that is the A is high, B and borrow in, both are low. A minus B minus borrow in. So 1 minus 0 minus 0. What will go high? The difference will be high and the borrow will be low. ठीक है. तो difference 1 हो जाएगा और borrow आपका 0 हो जाएगा. That is in the case of 1 minus 0 minus 0. Clear? So this is how the difference will be high and the borrow will be 0. Now another case, 1 minus 0 minus 1, मतलब 1 minus 0 minus 1. I've given A minus B minus borrow in. So 1 is high, B is 0, borrow in is high. So 1 minus 0 minus 1, both are 0 and 0. That is, the difference is also 0 and the borrow is also 0. Similar is the case when I give 1 minus 1 minus 0, 1 1 0, that is when A is 1, B is 1 and borrow in is 0. So 1 minus 1 minus 0, both the difference and the borrow out will be 0 0. Okay? Now if I give all high, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1, the difference is also high and the borrow out is also high. So all the three inputs are high. In that case, both the difference and the borrow out is also going high. So this is how we can verify the full subtractor circuit also.